I'm gonna head off at the gym right now with a couple of my friends. Let's see where else I can go after that, so I can record some more stuff. Let's see. Nice, beautiful weather. Not too hot, not too cold. Love to see it, man. You can't really ride bikes in the summer in Florida, man. It gets way too hot, you know. So the best time to ride bikes is, you know, this time December, January, February, March. Those are like the peak best times to ride motorcycles, on, especially in Florida, since, you know, we have the hurricane season, we have all these tropical storms. Man, Florida's amazing, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at the plane. So yeah, back to the Florida thing. It's probably a good 70 degrees outside right now. And just beautiful weather to just be riding out. Yeah, I love this bike, man. This bike sounds amazing, man. Probably one of the best sounding bikes that I've ever been on. That's kind of biased because this is the only bike I've ever ridden. Well, that's a lie. I've had a little dirt bike before, a little 140 KXL Kawasaki. Sorry, brother. Yeah, well, one of my dream bikes would be probably the S1000 RR. You know, that would be one of my dream bikes that I would like to have eventually one day. You know, but that's one day. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, what's up, brother? Doing good? Man, this weather's beautiful, right? Amazing. You know, it's nice and breezy, nice and cold. Amazing, you love it. Hey, I love you, bro. Much love. I love that guy, bro. He's so cool. All right, let's get it, man. Oh shit. This road's always mad bumpy for no reason, man. Oh shit. What are you doing, bro? What are you fucking doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. What are you doing, bro? Wow. Are you clipping your toenails? No way. Bro, I only see this type of things in Florida, man. It's only in Florida where you see someone just clipping their toenails. Sorry, brother. Yeah. 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 Alright, guys. Catch you when I'm out of the gym. Have a nice little gym sesh. Later, gang. I'll just warm up a little bit and then we'll hop on and go. Alright, so just got out of the gym, obviously. I think I'm just gonna head back home, to be honest, because I don't know how the GoPro's picking up this this low light feature or whatever, because you know this GoPro I have doesn't really pick up good light nighttime. So I think I'm just gonna edit this when I get home. Puppy. I want to see how the wind noise acts up when I'm going high speeds, but I think there's very minimal wind noise with the mic. I think I should be good. Man, this bike sounds so nice. It's definitely going to the car meter somewhere. Alright, we just made it home. I guess this is the end of the video. Yeah.